Picture this. I'm part of a media team at a large retailer. We are teaming up with a supplier to run a joint advertisement campaign to grow our sales. For this, we need to identify our target audience. We need to collaborate on joint customer data. I, as the retailer, have data on my customers and their shopping behavior. My supplier has their customer loyalty data. However, we have some challenges. First, we cannot share any sensitive information about our customers with each other. Second, our data is on different clouds, regions, and data platforms. And finally, we want to leverage machine learning and Python for our analysis and not just SQL. Databricks Cleanrooms helps with all of this in a privacy-safe environment. Let's see how. So here I am on the Databricks Cleanroom console as the retailer. In a few simple steps, I create a clean room. I'm using Azure and US East 2 as my cloud and region. What's amazing is that my supplier and I don't need to be on the same cloud or region. I now add my supplier as a collaborator. And once my clean room is created, I bring in the data. I add my audience graph table. And what's awesome is I can also bring in AI models and unstructured data to collaborate. Here, I add a private advertisement science library that invokes an AI function for my audience segmentation task. And now it's time to add a notebook to collaborate with. I've created one for audience segmentation that I add, and I've pre-configured it to use my private library. The best part about this notebook, I can leverage Python for machine learning. My clean room is now ready for my supplier to come join. So let me flip hats here. I am now supplier, hence the dark mode, and I join the clean room that my retail counterpart added me to. I see all the assets that they brought to the clean room. And when I click into the audience graph table, I see all the underlying metadata, but not the actual data. This is awesome context for great collaboration while ensuring that I'm not privy to any sensitive information. It's now my turn to bring in my customer data, which is on a Snowflake warehouse outside Databricks. I don't want to create a custom ETL pipeline to bring this data in, and lucky for me, I can directly add Lakehouse federated tables as sources to this clean room. With no copy and no ETL, these clean rooms truly scale for cross-platform collaboration. And now, my favorite part. I inspect the notebook, and the code looks great. Then I go ahead and run it. The job has successfully started. And after a few seconds, it completes running. And I have delightful visual results to help me understand that we can target 1.2 million households for our campaign based on customer factors such as age, income bracket, and household size. So let's summarize what we just saw. Our retailer and supplier were able to bring their respective customer data to a privacy-safe clean room and collaborate. It didn't matter that they were in different clouds, regions, and data platforms. They were able to collaborate on more than just structured data, and they used Python for machine learning. At the end, they were served delightful results via a notebook.